Good morning everyone. This is video number 2, and in this video we are going to read about the poles of a magnet. Okay, attraction and repulsion between the magnets. Okay, now this attraction and repulsion is caused by attractive and repulsive property. When the poles of two magnets are brought close to each other, they exert force on each other. Okay, we will see once again, but in this unlike pole. Okay, this is unlike pole, that is north, and this is south. Okay, okay, you see that the north pole of a suspended magnet here, the north pole is this side, south pole is this side. This south pole of a suspended magnet, okay, moves toward the north of the handheld magnet. Okay, this is not toward the handheld magnet. This means that south pole of one magnet attracts the north pole of another magnet. Similarly, if we bring the north pole of handheld magnet near the south pole, okay, it attracts, means the north pole of one magnet attracts the south pole of another magnet. Okay, now in this we will see that the north pole of suspended magnet turns away the north pole of the held magnet, and this means that the north pole of one magnet repels the north pole of other magnet. Okay, similarly the south pole of one magnet repels the south pole of another magnet. Okay, now our another topic is that earth behaves as a magnet. Okay, we have read that freely suspended magnetic needle always rests in the north-south direction. Why it is so? Okay, this is due to the reason that earth itself behaves like a huge bar magnet. Okay, people says that the huge bar magnet is inside our earth. Okay, south pole of the bar magnet is near the geographical north. Okay, if suppose that if this is a bar magnet, this is south pole, and geographical north pole is there. Okay, this bar magnet is north, but geographical it has south, so the needle always moves toward the north to south. Okay, the north pole of freely suspended magnet points toward the geographical north pole because it attracts by the magnetic south pole of the earth. Okay, you can see here, this is due to the magnetic line effect. Okay, you can see here. Okay, it is developed by one theory, it has been given. Okay, theory of earth's magnetism, that is dynamo effect theory, that the earth gets its own magnetic field line because of the presence of the metallic fluid that are present at the outer core as well as in the inner core. The outer core consists of molten iron while inner core has solidified element. Okay, now we are moving towards the methods of magnetism. Okay, what methods we apply to make a substance magnetized? Okay, and we have some theories according to that. Some methods are there. There are several methods for making magnets from iron piece with the help of another magnet, and the easiest way of making a permanent magnet is by two methods we will read. Okay, single touch method and double touch method, and one is electrical method, but we don't have to read this electrical method. Okay, that is called electromagnet. Okay, first we will see about the single touch method. Okay, what happen in single touch method, that we have to take a steel bar on a table. Okay, here we have to take a steel bar on a magnet on a table. Now take a strong permanent bar magnet and keep it in one pole. You have to keep it at one pole on the steel bar magnet. Okay, now without lifting the bar magnet, okay, what we will do, move along the length. Okay, you will move along the length like that. Okay, till you reach the other end B. Okay, this side, this is, suppose that this is the A, this is A and this is B point. Okay, you have to just move it along the length. Okay, now lift the magnet from here. Okay, then again bring the same pole to the same point on a steel bar magnet which you started. Okay, move the magnet along the steel bar in the same direction as you did before. Means suppose that this is the steel, you have to make it magnet. Okay, you will start from here, you will rub, again you will lift, again you rub in the, but in the same direction, and it is for the 30 to 40 times with the same pole and in the same direction. Okay, bring some iron clip or some iron fillings near the steel bar to check whether it attracts the iron filling. If it does not attract the iron filling, continue to strike the magnet against the steel bar for some more time. Now we will discuss second one, that is double touch method. In the double touch method, magnetic material is rubbed with the opposite poles of a pair of magnet. Okay, what will happen? You have to place them with their opposite poles. Like this is, if this is north, you will take it south. Okay, and if this is south, you will take the bar magnet as a north, and you have to move this. Okay, then move the magnet apart inclined to a striking the iron bar. Repeat the process about 20 to 30 times. Again lift the magnet and clean off the iron bar at the end of each stroke. Now turn the bar magnet and upside down and repeat the same process. Okay, this was the method. Now this is the single touch method. Okay, the same process I have shown here. You have to rub it like this until it attracts the pin. Okay, and this is the double touch method. Okay, north pole you have to take here. Okay, and south pole, this is the steel bar, opposite poles it will have, and you will strike this again and again, move this, okay, up to 20 or 30 times until it attracts the pin. So this was the method for making a magnet. Thank you very much.